Hey everyone! There are proven, effective ways to get rid of fleas and make sure they don't come back. I'll walk you through the steps you need to follow, from preparation to follow-up, and we'll talk about why each one is important. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first thing you need to do is vacuum everywhere. Fleas love to hide in carpets, upholstery, and any soft material. You'll need a vacuum with strong suction for this. Make sure you vacuum all carpets, rugs, furniture, pet beds, and any crevices in your floorboards. Why vacuuming? Fleas lay eggs in soft materials, and vacuuming can remove about 50% of flea eggs and larvae in your home. A study from the University of California showed that vacuuming alone can be a powerful tool against fleas, even without chemicals. Here's the key: empty your vacuum outside immediately after you're done, because fleas can crawl back out. Next, wash all bedding. That includes your pet's bedding, your sheets, and even blankets. Fleas and their eggs often get embedded in fabrics, so washing them in hot water is essential. Use a regular laundry detergent, but the hot water is what's really going to kill fleas at all stages. This step is super effective. Fleas and their eggs can't survive the heat of a hot water cycle. Plus, it helps keep the infestation from spreading back to areas you've already treated. Now we're going to get into flea spray or IGR spray. If you've never heard of IGRs before, they're chemicals designed to disrupt the flea life cycle, preventing eggs from hatching into adult fleas. According to research published by the American Veterinary Medical Association, these sprays are critical for getting long-term control over fleas in your home. Spray this treatment on your carpets, upholstery, and baseboards. Make sure you follow the directions on the bottle carefully. Some sprays are safe to use around pets, but others might require you to keep your pets out of the room for a bit. Always check for safety instructions. If you're looking for a more natural option, diatomaceous earth is an excellent choice. It's a fine, powdery substance made from fossilized plankton, and while it's safe for humans and pets, just make sure it's food grade. It's lethal to fleas. The powder works by drying out the flea's exoskeleton, killing them without the use of chemicals. Sprinkle the diatomaceous earth in any areas where fleas might be hiding: carpets, along baseboards, or in cracks in the floor. Leave it for at least 24 hours before vacuuming it up. You'll want to repeat this every few days for about 2 weeks, just to ensure that you catch all newly hatched fleas. While you're treating your home, you also need to treat your pets. Fleas don't just live in your carpet, they also live on your furry friends. A vet-recommended flea treatment for your pets is a must. There are different options, including flea collars, topical treatments, and oral medications. Talk to your vet about what's best for your pet's size, breed, and health. If you don't treat your pets, the fleas will just keep coming back. The goal is to break the flea life cycle everywhere, including on your pets. For those of you with steam cleaners, this step can take your flea battle to the next level. The heat from steam cleaners can kill fleas, larvae, and eggs on contact. Go over your carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture with a steam cleaner to get rid of any stubborn fleas that may have survived vacuuming. This is optional, but it's highly effective if you have a larger flea infestation or if you've had them for a while. If you want to monitor how many fleas are left, you can set some sticky flea traps. These traps use light to attract fleas, and when they jump onto the trap, they get stuck on the adhesive. It's a great way to gauge if your treatment is working. They're also a good indicator of how severe the infestation was in the first place. Once you've tackled the immediate problem, let's talk about preventing future infestations. Keep vacuuming regularly, treat your pets monthly with a flea preventative, and check their fur for fleas whenever they come in from outdoors. Another tip is to keep your yard well maintained. Fleas thrive in tall grass and debris, so mowing your lawn and keeping your yard tidy can reduce the risk of fleas hitching a ride inside. According to experts from the University of Florida, regular lawn care can significantly lower the chances of fleas taking up residence in your yard. And that's it. Those are the steps to get rid of fleas in your house. Just remember, patience is key, and persistence is your best friend when fighting fleas. Make sure you follow all these steps, and before you know it, you'll be living in a flea-free home. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone else who might be dealing with fleas. Leave a comment below with any tips or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your flea-free journey.